We got this sander adapter that fits on the grinder. It doesn't really fit. You tighten it up and it still don't fit, and it's wobbly. So I'm adding this piece right here. Where the handle screws in, and gotta hold it all, tie it in. That'll keep it from moving around. Okay. What's this piece called? Just a pipe sander? Here we go. That's it. And we got the Art Captain welding hood with the big view. Well, like then we'll put the belt on. We'll plug it in. And there you go. It won't fall off.